Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the ignition key lock cylinder on this 2003 Ford F250, same as a lot of the trucks of this era. And what can happen is you'll notice your lock cylinder start to stick a little bit. At that point, you want to remove it. Maybe try some graphite lubricant and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, then you'll want to replace the lock cylinder. 8mm wrench. Disconnect your negative battery cable. You need to use a Torx wrench or something that has a flat tip on it. There's a hole right underneath your key. You just need to feel in for the spot on the lock cylinder, and the key in the on position. Just push up and the key comes right out. This pin goes on the bottom. Make sure it can go in, so you might have to hold it, turn it a little bit, and that pin pushes down. Okay, put it in. You have to just twist a little bit and you're all set. And reconnect your negative battery cable. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.